Alright everybody, welcome back to another one. Today we're sitting with the Zebra GK420d. We're going to look at how to clean it up so you can fix your blank or blotchy prints, whether it's spotted or streaks. This model is similar to the ZP450, the ZD421, as well as a few others. So if your printer is similar to this, follow along. I'm sure you'll find some useful tips. And before you do any of the following steps, please ensure that your printer is unplugged. This a lot of times happen towards the edge. It might be all the way through, or it might be streaks. So what you do for that, we'll go ahead and get this out of the way. So obviously we make sure the roller's clean, but more importantly, the print head here. This is what's going to clean the print head here. This is what's going to print the image. So you got to make sure it's clean. And I've even seen some people with alignment issues where one side is lower than the other. And you can just take a popsicle stick or something thin and push it in. Make sure your two connectors are all the way in and adjust it until it's straight. You can pop this out and do a deep clean, but that's usually not necessary unless you've had a pretty bad jam. The other thing to check is in this area here. So to do that, I'm going to pop these two black tabs up. And then down there can be some fragments of a label that's going to cause some print issues. And you can usually take some rubbing alcohol and clean this up really nice, as well as the print head. And then we have a sensor here. You want to make sure that's clean at all times as well. Sometimes this gear pops off, so that's something to keep in mind when you're working on it and when you're reassembling. And to put it back in, it just sits back down. The gear goes back on the same side, obviously, and then pushes down and to the left, to the right, and down, and you're back in there. And you can go ahead and do another print. Now they make pads that you can run through your printer and that will clean it, the whole thing for you. It's, in my opinion, easier and more thorough to just take a Q-tip, dip it in some rubbing alcohol, especially if you've been using your printer for a while, because you can get a lot of buildup around here. And with that, you can pinpoint where it is and get it all the way out. Those cleaning pads are really good for preventative maintenance, just to keep everything clean. But to clean up a mess, Q-tip is the best way to go.